The environment in the Maltese islands in which we work is very harsh. We face very high temperatures. We have salinity and dust all around the island, and we also have very limited roof space. My name is Mario Kakia. I am the CEO and owner of Alternative Technologies Limited. Alternative Technologies Limited is a small family-run business, and we specialize in designing solutions for the renewable energy sectors. Our clients range from homeowners to government departments to heavy industries. The oil tanking company decided to go green as part of their corporate social responsibility.
My name is David Muscat, Deputy Technical Manager, Oil Tanking Malta Limited. Oil tanking is one of the largest independent operators for tank terminals for chemicals, gases and oils. It operates from 70 terminals in 24 countries. The choice to select SunPower wanted a panel that can withstand the harsh environment in this terminal.
The Parliament project was a project designed by world-renowned architect Renzo Piano. Apart from servicing the energy needs of the Parliament building, the system needed to be aesthetically pleasing, invisible from the ground, and an integral part of the architecture itself. The rooftop houses 264 Maxion technology SunPower panels. Working with a high-efficiency panel like SunPower helped us as we needed fewer panels to arrive at the required peak power. The university project is also one of our flagship projects. We installed 1,730 SunPower solar panels on 11 distinct rooftops, reaching a peak power of 600 kilowatt peak.
My name is Joseph McAuliffe and I'm a professor at the University of Malta. Our choice of SunPower PV panels arises from the fact that we have limited space available and therefore we wanted to maximize the generation in that space. Because SunPower PV panels are much more efficient, that made it a very important choice for us. For 6 months of the year we have a significantly high temperature in Malta. It is very important that we have PV panels with low temperature coefficient.
What the SunPower panels also give us is a long warranty. This gives us, as a company, peace of mind that we are giving the client something going to last for a very long time. Aesthetics are very important for our residential customers, and the SunPower product helps us to satisfy the eye whilst providing the required power. Every project has its distinct challenges. The SunPower technology helps us provide our clients with the right solution for their energy needs and helps us as a company achieve success to a brighter future.